If you're looking for the best beard dyes for sensitive skin, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have the Henna Guys 100% Pure Indigo Powder Hair and Beard Dye. Here's another natural beard dye that's based on henna, indigo, and botanicals. It's safe for most guys who would otherwise be allergic to chemical hair dyes. What's more, there's no pungent odor, at least until you rinse out the henna with vinegar. It's available in shades like auburn, burgundy, brown, and deep brown. They all cover up gray hairs perfectly. However, none of the shades will lighten or bleach hair color. Also, the reddish shades tend to bleed, hence the need for a vinegar rinse to set the dye. Similar to the beard dye above, you'll need to mix a paste and apply it to the facial hair. Take note that dark hair might require 2 treatments. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Just for Men Mustache and Beard. We were frankly shocked about all the complaints we saw regarding JFM beard dye irritating the skin, causing breakouts, causing burns, etc. This put us in a quandary because Just for Men has the best selection of shades, blonde to jet black, and the color enters longer than herbal dyes. It's advertised as lasting until the gray grows out. What's more, the dye takes effect within 5 minutes. It doesn't need to sit on your beard overnight to develop color. Although you'll still need to mix the developer with the color base and brush on the mixture. It's a good thing they include gloves in the box to keep the hands from getting stained. The dye is supposed to condition the hair with vitamin E, protein, chamomile, and aloe. At least it doesn't smell as terrible as regular hair dye because it's ammonia-free. However, we recommend following the instructions and doing an allergy test on the skin 2 days before you plan to use the product. Each box is good for 3 applications, depending on the length of the beard. The number 3 position is held by Just for Men Control GX Gray Reducing Beard Wash. If you're not ready to commit to beard dye, this shampoo will color facial hair gradually. It's perfect if you'd like to hide the fact that you're coloring your beard because there's no drastic change. But it's not the best solution if you're in a hurry. Here's how it works. Treat it like shampoo and work it into your beard and mustache while they are wet. Wait for up to 5 minutes before rinsing. Dry off with an old towel and wash your hands carefully with soap and water. The more you use it, the better it works. Still, it may take up to 2 weeks of daily washes to notice a big color difference. Reviewers say it leaves the hair with a natural variation in color. It doesn't stink of ammonia and doesn't contain peroxide, so it's gentle on the hair. Plus, the universal beard wash works on all hair shades because all it does is make the gray less noticeable. Next at number 4 we have Grizzly Mountain Beard Dye. Here is our favorite organic beard dye for sensitive skin. It's 100% chemical-free and hypoallergenic. Unless you have a specific allergy to one of the herbal powders, you're good to go. It's a truly natural alternative to drugstore beard dye. What's the catch? Well, you'll need to decide which color to use. Luckily, there are only 3 shades: light, natural, and dark brown. The good news is that none of the colors are solid and opaque like box dye. Whichever you pick will leave your beard with true-to-life shades. Plus, the color is permanent and will last for 2 weeks or longer while it fades slowly and naturally. The package comes with just over 3 ounces of the dye and just over an ounce of the base, and you have to mix them. It includes instructions in English and other languages as well as an applicator brush. The number 5 position is held by Pigeon S Color for Men and 2 Real Blackhead. Restore your beard's charming color with the Pigeon S Color dye. This is a great hair color for your beard and hair and has incredible gray hair coverage. The S Color from Bigen will not irritate or stain your skin. It doesn't drip but provides a good-looking natural color. The hair color is fortified with potent botanicals, including aloe vera and olive oil. The dye needs an easy comb in application, which is great because you just have to swap the color with the brush and comb it into your facial hair. You usually need about 10 minutes for the dye to take effect, then rinse. The S Color is low in peroxides and doesn't contain ammonia. The number 6 position is dominated by My Nature Henna Powder Dye. Toying with different appearances isn't limited to women. Men can also do it with My Nature Henna Powder Dye. Buy with confidence because it's free of chemicals, preservatives, PPD, peroxides, metallic salts, ammonia, or pesticides. It has high loss levels for guaranteed final results. The main ingredient is 100% natural henna powder, which is great because henna is a natural hair conditioner and dye for your beard. The benefits of henna on your facial hair are ample. It gives gray patches tint and shine, improves beard growth, prevents beard rough, and reduces hair fall. The henna beard dye is extremely simple to use. Just pour it into a bowl and slowly add warm water. Then stir the contents of the bowl to form a thick mixture. Give the mixture time for dye release to take place and apply it to your beard after about 4 hours. The final result should be a tinted, shiny beard that's fuller, thicker, and healthier. Use the product regularly will help prevent breakage, hair loss, beard rough. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Godrej Nupur Mehndi Henna Hair Color. This natural hair color will not just help you achieve the perfect shade for your beard, but it will also improve the health of your facial hair. This dye won't just get rid of gray facial hair, but it also rejuvenates hair follicles, promotes hair growth, prevents beard rough, conditions and nourishes facial hair, and leaves your beard clean and shiny. Dandruff-reducing aloe vera and circulation-boosting Indian gooseberry will make you look fresh after the application. If in a hurry, mix the henna powder with warm water to make a paste and activate the dye. Then apply on your beard using a quality beard brush for the best results. You can also mix the formula with beetroot juice in the night and mix 1 egg white and 1 teaspoon of yogurt in the morning and apply it to get rid of gray hair. This formula does contain harsh chemicals or cruelty that may otherwise cause skin irritation. The number 8 position is held by Gopher Professional Hair Color Tint Kit. The Gopher Professional Hair Color Tint is your best bet. It comes with everything you need to revamp your facial hair. It's known to cover bare spots handsomely and has a user-friendly process. The product may appear small in size, but its end results are big. The dye is highly concentrated for the maximum elimination of gray hair on your beard. The tinted beard is projected to last for up to 6 weeks after the application. Pre-measured in different units, the dye provides you with the versatility to use a precise amount of color without wasting anything. Just use the required amount at one go. Even though the product is considered safe to use on the skin, it's always advisable to do a patch test to be sure. Some men tend to be more sensitive than others. Next at number 9 we have SoftSheen Carson Dark and Natural Permanent Hair Color. Get natural looking hair coverage in less than 10 minutes with this good product from SoftSheen Carson. Out of the box, you get easy to follow directions, a pair of plastic gloves, the shampoo and permanent hair color, conditioning shampoo, and conditioning developer. This is a shampoo and hair color, which means you can make the application when taking a shower. The formula is fortified with honey and aloe vera to provide the best moisturizing effect. It softens without causing any damage to your hair, and it seals in color, leaving your beard softer, more manageable, and healthy looking. Wait for about 5 minutes and rinse your beard. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Cremo No Mix-In, No Mess Hair and Beard Color. This is a foam formula that doesn't drip or make a mess. You don't even need other utensils for this color. The bottle comes with a cap applicator that pumps out the product in perfect proportions with every squeeze. The combing cap is brilliant. It brushes your beard while dispensing color onto it. You can use the product straight onto your beard and your mustache as well. Wait for 5-10 minutes after applying the cream, then wash the color out with plain water. We love how easy it is to use. The bottle contains 2.7 ounces of light brown color and other available shades are jet black, brown, dark brown, light brown, medium dark brown. The color is completely organic and natural. There are no harmful parabens involved in the ingredients. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.